Hey there and welcome to PHLEARN. My name is Aaron Nace and today we're going to show you how to rotate and flip your images. There are a few ways to do it, so we're going to show you everything you need to know. So we're starting off with this aerial view of this image. Now let's say I want to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. It's a vertical photograph, but this would also work as a horizontal photograph. We're going to go to Image, down here to Image Rotation, and we're going to go to 90 degrees clockwise. Let's go ahead and click there, and as you can see, it's going to rotate my entire image 90 degrees clockwise. This looks really good. Now let's say we want to flip it vertically. Maybe I want the peninsula to be facing upwards. So again, we're going to go to Image, down to Image Rotation, and we're going to go to Flip Canvas Vertical. There we go. Now this is going to work with the entire image, no matter how many layers you have. But let's say you have some additional layers. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take our background layer. We're going to hit Control or Command J to duplicate our background layer. Let's say we just want to flip or rotate this layer. For this, all we have to do is hit Control or Command T for our transform tool. Okay. Now with the transform tool active, if you have your contextual toolbar here, you can choose to rotate your image, flip it right over here. If you don't see your contextual taskbar, simply go to Window and then down to Contextual Taskbar. Make sure that's turned on. So now that's going to actually flip, rotate my individual layer. You can see I can rotate this 90 degrees. There we go. I can continue to press this. And of course I can flip this horizontally. There we are. And I can flip this vertically. And if I wanted to rotate it a given degrees, let's say I don't want to rotate it 90 degrees, I can go right up here to this degree slider. I could type in, for instance, 45. It would rotate my image 45 degrees. And then if I need to, where it says width and height, I can click on any of these and simply scale my image up. And there we have a horizontal image that's flipped 45 degrees. Let's hit enter, and then we can move this around in our canvas and get the exact composition we want. So as you can see, this is our base image where we flipped our entire canvas, and this is moving each individual layer. Now keep in mind, if I decide to go to image, down to image rotation, and let's say I go ahead and flip my canvas horizontally, there we go. It's going to flip both of my layers. Okay, you can see it's actually going to flip both of these layers. We'll do it again. Image, image rotation, flip horizontal, boom. And as you can see, both of these layers changed at the same time. So if you want to change the entire document, then go to image, image rotation, and choose any of these options. But if you want to do simply one layer, click on the layer, hit Control or Command T, and then use your options here in your contextual taskbar, or simply hit Control or Command T, right click, and then choose your rotation or flip horizontal or vertical. It's the same exact thing as choosing these options at the top. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in a comment right down below what you would like to see next. Thanks again. I'll PHLEARN you later. Bye everyone.